It's a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning hours are clear a lot as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow.
Just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement without too well. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. wanna see the same things you can see. Understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see.
Billboards are on, right? On my phone. Okay, we're going back to that.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or two. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk.
I know you feel alone. How long can this thing live on? Walking around, looking down on the ground. Maybe there's a way somehow. Walking around somehow. Where are you now? Still waiting for someone to prove you wrong. Walking around some broken clouds. Will we find a way to live without the falling rain?
New York City, Manhattan, Times Square. It's not even 8 a.m. yet. It's actually pretty busy here already. People going to work. Bunch of digital billboards everywhere. That building here on the corner where it says New York Police Department, that's the place is called One Times Square. I've read an interesting story about this. There's a Walgreens, or maybe Dwayne Reed, which is basically affiliated with Walgreens. It's a drugstore. It's on the ground floor, and Walgreens owns the next, I think, 20 some stores in this building. And that's it. There's absolutely no nobody's using it, at least as of a few years ago. Nobody's using those floors. Instead, they're using the side of the building for billboards like this, digital billboards like this one for the showgirls. So it's pretty expensive piece of real estate. However, on top of the building, it's where the ball is going to drop on New Year's Eve. Right now it's saying it's 2025. So 3 more months. Look how massive those things are, those billboards. Now it's pretty cool here during the day, but at night it's actually way nicer. The only problem is if you don't like crowds, you probably shouldn't be coming here. All I keep thinking is looking at those billboards and thinking, how much are their electrical bills here? If they had to pay California prices for the billboards, they wouldn't have all of them here. Now this place is really insane during the day. There's a bunch of performers. There's one right now in his underwear playing across the street. Now I'm also in the area of Broadway, so all the way to your left, especially your right, there's a bunch of theaters. Well, if my nursing career doesn't work out at some time, I can come back here and become a singer, just like this guy. I don't think I have any more ripped underwears, but I'm sure I could get those at Walmart. So that's where the ball is going to drop. That little building on the corner there with Snapple advertising. Somewhere here's a theater that I'm going today with my daughter to watch a musical called Operation Mincemeat, I think. I have no idea where it is. Luckily, she knows the way around. Many areas around here, especially like Broadway, are like totally blocked off from the traffic. Or I should say, not totally, but big parts of it, so you can actually walk around. They usually have like little tables set up here, set out here, people drinking,